Hi, this is Ramesh Khanal. I'm an area manager for Scripts for Less prescription drug card company. What we do at Scripts for Less is to provide free prescription discount card to millions of Americans all across the country. Those free prescription discount cards can be used at any pharmacy anywhere in the country, and people can save up to 85% on their prescription medications. You can print that card by going further right to savings card. You can see here savings card. Let me highlight this one. Yes, that one. And then in addition to those free prescription discount cards, we also provide patient assistance program. We also provide mail order pharmacy service, and then we also provide diabetic supplies at probably 50% of the Walmart price. Here I'm going to talk about specifically this program, patient assistance program, that is intended for low-income people who can't afford the expensive brand name medications. To do that, I would suggest you to go to my website, which is ibourl.com/IR7. I believe you can see it there, ibourl.com/IR7. You can see my photo as well as the links to my videos, my blogs, as well as live chat if I'm online at the time. You can also contact me from that website itself. Let's talk about this patient assistance program right now. What we do is, as you can see here, get your brand name medications for as little as $69.95 a month. These brand name medications are extremely expensive. Sometimes they cost thousands of dollars a month, and we're talking about 3 medications here, not just one, for the price of $69.95. So if you do take more than 3 prescription medications, let's suppose 4 or 5 or 6, in that case the price is $99.95. You need to enroll online. This patient assistance program is specifically designed for low-income people who can't afford the expensive brand name medications. However, the income qualification is pretty generous in that sense. As you can see, scroll down further a little bit more. As you can see there, for one person it is $21,780, whereas for 8 persons it is $75,260. For a family of 4, it is $44,700. As you can see, those are pretty generous in that sense. And then if you scroll further down, you'll see enroll now button there. Let me just show you a little more, highlight it, enroll now. And then you need to show your income. You need to provide the proof that you do indeed qualify for this program. So you need to enroll it, or you can call us. Right there you can see the phone number there. Contact us 501-626-2863. And then we have, you can see there, you can read all those information there on the website. And then if you do if you are taking more than 3 medications, you can provide that information. If you are taking 3 or less, in that case, you can do that too. So I encourage you to check the whole thing and then enroll if you are interested, or if you have any questions, please do not hesitate to contact me. Thank you.